Please, here is your coffee, sir. What? Please, it was a mistake. I have a family to feed. Give me a second chance. I don't want to see you anymore. Please leave my company.
Mom, what is happening? These past few days we have only had a little bread to eat.
Your father is going through a difficult time. Right now, he does not have enough money.
Take it, Dad. I give it to you. I am not hungry.
Thank you, Logan. Eat your bread. I am not hungry at all.
Come, Logan. We are going to leave. I cannot live like this anymore.
No, I want to stay with my sister. Emma! Emma! Come and help me! Emma, help me. I want to stay with you.
What? Is that Logan's voice?
Why is Mom leaving Dad and me? Is it because Dad has no money anymore? Dad, things must change now. I understand you, Dad, but we must not give up.
Mom left us, but you and I will become stronger, okay?
Welcome. Please come and sit down, and you will tell me what happened.
Let's begin. We can do this together.
This color is nice, Emma. Yes, Logan. It is perfect for the sky. It is good work we did.
Yes, Emma. Very good work. Please buy our beautiful painting, please!
I don't want to eat without my sister.
Nora, my daughter, you left your family. But a family must help each other in difficult times. Even little Logan shows compassion. He refuses to eat without his sister.
You are right. I only thought about myself.
No one wants to buy our painting, Dad.
Don't worry. Let's be patient. Your painting is not bad, but I need something more original, and the work must be finished in 1 hour. That is my condition. We are only 3. What are we going to do?
I am sorry, Mark. I am here now.
Don't worry, Nora. We need you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great! You can start. It is beautiful. You are really professionals. I will call you again soon.
Thank you so much.
Together, we can do great things.